In this video, I'll use GitHub Copilot agent mode to scrape product data from my e-commerce site that I need to test. Later, I can use this scraped data for various testing tasks like verifying data consistency, validating prices, detecting broken links, and verifying inventory status. Let's see how easily we can scrape data using GitHub Copilot agent mode. Let's begin with the prompt. Here's the prompt file I'll be using. Navigate to the URL learningexpressway.com. Go to Digital Downloads page. Extract the list of all products along with their prices and target URLs. Save the extracted data in both Markdown and JSON formats. I have also included the output file names and example structures for both the Markdown and JSON files. Now it's time to execute the prompt. Open GitHub Copilot in agent mode. Next, I asked Copilot to perform the task described in the given prompt file. Copilot immediately started working on the given task and asked for my permission to fetch the web page. I granted it permission to continue with all tasks in the current session so that it wouldn't ask me again for permission for the next tasks. In a few seconds, it retrieved all the data I wanted from the site. Then, it saved all the output in both a Markdown file and a JSON file. After reviewing the data, I clicked Keep because I wanted to save the generated data. Let's check the generated JSON file. Here's all the product data from the Digital Downloads page. We can see it pulled the name, price, and target URL for each product listed on the Learning Expressway site's downloads page. Now take a look at the Markdown file. Everything is organized clearly in a well-formatted Markdown layout. We can also review Copilot's response to see what actions the agent took to complete the assigned task. Now, it's your turn to try it out, but be careful when scraping data from any site. The site I just scraped is my own personal site. If you plan to scrape data from a third-party site, always check the website's terms of service and robots.txt file to confirm whether scraping is permitted. Some sites explicitly forbid scraping. Have you explored GitHub Copilot for your daily workflows? I'd love to hear how you're using it. Drop your thoughts in the comments.